Assalamu alaikum, fourth class. How are you all? Today we are going to start chapter number 5, topic MS Paint. सबसे पहले हम कुछ terms को define करेंगे. Define the following terms. Number 1 is clipboard. Clipboard is a temporary area in memory to store your work while using the cut or copy command. Second one is flip. It means to move the image to a certain position. Third one is it means rotate. It means to rotate an object around center point at a specified angle. Then हम exercise D की तरफ move करेंगे. Question number 1 of the exercise D is name the command to view the drawing on full computer screen. Answer is full screen command is used to view the drawing on full computer screen. Question number 2 is what is the use of copy command? The copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of the selected part of the drawing. Third question is write the uses of the following commands. Number 1 is zoom in. Zoom in command is used to see the image in bigger size. If you click this command, the picture becomes bigger and bigger. Zoom out. This command is the opposite of the zoom in command since it reduces the size of the image. Zoom out command is used to see the image in a smaller size. Third one is Gridlines. This command is present in the show or hide group of view tab. When you click on this command, the grid lines will appear on your drawing. Fourth one is rulers. This command is present in the show or hide group of the view tab. When you click on this command, the rulers will appear on the screen. Then question number 4 is write down the steps to save your drawing. Answer is to save the drawing, follow the given steps. Number 1 is click on Microsoft Paint button. Second one is select and click Save As option. Third one is a sub-menu will appear on the screen. Fourth one is choose any option from the list to save your file. The Save As dialog box appears on the screen. Fifth one is click the file name that you want to give your image. Sixth one is click on Save. That's all. Chapter number 5 की एक्सरसाइज जो है वो कंप्लीट होगी है. इसको प्रॉपर आपने नीटली करना है, प्रॉपर मार्जिन लाइन लगानी है, क्लास वर्क एंड डेट सब कुछ प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच.